Hi, my name is Zach, and today I'm going to explain to you what ADR is. ADR is automatic dialogue replacement. For example, this would be when a train goes by and you don't want the train in the audio, but the person's vocals are destroyed. Also, this could be like in the clip that I have right now. A heater turned on while I was talking in this clip with the doctor. Basically, to fix this, I went into a sound studio and recorded my audio after.
You have stage 4 squamous cell carcinoma.
Now right here is about where the heater kicked on, but you won't be able to hear it because I did use ADR.
Wait, what? What's that?
You need to remember that the way that you use your voice needs to go with your body language. My name is Zach, and I just explained to you how to use ADR properly in Final Cut Pro.